Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cut basic sleeves pattern. So let's dive into our video. First of all, we need total length of the sleeves you want 3/4 or full sleeves, and then we need shoulder length. Place your measuring tape around your shoulder and don't keep too tight. Leave at least 1 inch gap so your arm will be easy to move. Then you need bicep measurement. Bicep measurement is upper, we can call it upper arm as well, and normally this is lies from the shoulder go down 5.5 or 5.75. So next we need elbow measurement near your joint, and final measurement we need around your wrist, around your wrist or where you want your sleeves to sit. Now I have taken my measurement, so you take your measurement, the bicep measurement, elbow measurement, wrist measurement and total measurement. Now take a pattern paper, any paper you can take, and then in the center of the paper take the full length of the sleeves you want. So in my case I'm taking 21 inches, so I mark 21 inches total length, and now I am going to join these points. Now after joining these points, we have one side, you can call it wrist side, base of the sleeve, and one is top of the shoulder. So now according to my measurement, I am going to start from the wrist. So my wrist measurement, as I mentioned, that is 7 inches. So I divided by 2, like a 3.5 on one side of the center line and 3.5 to the other side. So I mark 7 inches, 3.5 one side and 3.5 to another side. Now come at the top of the shoulders. So we are going to take bicep measurement. So for the bicep measurement, normally we take 5.75 inches, go down to 5.75 inches and mark there. So from this mark, I will be taking my bicep measurement, and my bicep measurement is 12 inches. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. It means from this point 6 inches on either side, both side. So 6 inches one side I will mark and 6 inches on other side, and then I will join these points. So you take your own measurement and add these measurements. And just to let you know, I haven't added seam allowance, so you can add seam allowance after. So now we have a bicep measurement. So to take the elbow measurement, what I prefer to do, take the center of these two lines, wrist and bicep line. Take the center, mark the center, and from the center go 0.5 inches upward. Mark 0.5 inches upward. So that will be our elbow mark. So now check your measurement, elbow measurement, and in my measurement is 10 inches. So I will be taking 5 inches on one side, half of the 10 is 5 on one side, and 5 inches on another side, and I will join these 2 points. So now we can see 3 points on both sides of the sleeves. We will join these points: wrist point, elbow one, and upper arm one. So these 3 points we will join, and I will mark elbow area, so you remember, and the wrist, and then these are bicep, or we can call it upper arm. And now we are coming to the shoulder, and we are going to join these 2 points and make a triangle. And next step, we are going to take the center of both lines. I take center and then center again from this point to the another notch. Then I'm going to take a center again of these 2 points. So we have basically 3 marks on both sides. In the same way, I will take the center and then I am going to take the center of these 2 points. From the center towards one side, I will be taking a center again, and then I will be marking center again. So I have 3 points on both sides. Now we will have a slight difference in the front and back part of the sleeves. So first of all, I am going to one side I will mark front, and from the other side I will mark as back side. Now from the first point, I am going to take 0.8 inches outward. One mark 0.8 inches, that is the front, and from the center point I'm taking 0.3 inches outward, and then from the lower point I'm taking 0.5 inches inward, because we're going to make a curve. Then you can we have 3 points. You can use your French curve ruler, or you can do freehand drawing as well. If you can make a curve, that's absolutely fine. So I'm going to use my French curve ruler to join these marks and make this curve. So make another curve on another side and smooth out these curves, because in our sleeve we are not going to cut like this. So just smooth it out with your freehand drawing. Now the back part of our sleeve, the first point I will be taking outward 0.6 inches, and then from the center I'm taking 0.3 inches outward, and inside I'm taking 0.4 inches inward. And now join these points in the same way as I joined the previous points and make 2 curves. I have cut this pattern out. However, I haven't added seam allowance. When you cut your use your pattern on your fabric, so please make sure you add the seam allowance, or before cutting the pattern you can add 0.5 inches seam allowance all around. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope you get value out of this video. So please like, share and subscribe this channel so other people can see it as well, and let me know how did you find it, and I will see you all in my another video. Bye.